Hey everybody, welcome back to Leah Vanland's channel. Today we are going to be folding a hawk dart. I recommend if you were not good at folding the other two coins I did in my other two videos, I recommend practicing those more first before you do this one. So, and if you haven't watched those videos, watch them now. So first, we're going to be folding this in half, and then opening it. And instead of doing it the mountain way, we're going to do it the dipped way, where it's dipped. And you're going to get that corner right here, and you're just going to fold this down right here. So there's a big arrow, and then you're gonna unfold this. Do the same with the other corner. Just gonna fold this down here. And then you're gonna flip it over to where this part is curved upward. And you're gonna get the top right here, and you're gonna fold it down to where that little crease is right there. I'm gonna open it back up, flip it over again to where this side is a mountain. And this is the tricky part. You get that corner and that corner, and you fold it so that they get put together down here. There's a big cone shape. And then you're just gonna touch the top of the cone, put it down so that it looks like a paper airplane like that. Okay, so now what you are going to do, this part is kind of confusing. You're gonna get this part right here. You're gonna put it up to the top of the paper airplane. You are going to get this part of the paper airplane. You're going to fold it. No, you're gonna get this corner right here. You're gonna fold it till it's in the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold it until it's in the middle. You're going to unfold it. You're going to get this part. You're going to get the corner again, but this time you're going to be folding it up and in the middle. Same thing on the other side. Up and in the middle. So it's like that. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to unfold that. And if you look closely, there's a diamond shape, I guess you can say, in the middle, right here. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this corner right here. You're gonna fold it like this. Do the same thing on the other corner. And you're gonna pull the thing like that. Pinch these two, and you're going to pull them down on top. And now that part was confusing, so I'm going to do that one more time for you guys. Fold these two corners. Fold it down. Fold it like that. So now you're gonna flip the plane over. You're gonna bend it. You're gonna bend it so that there's that tiny arrow sticking out the top right there. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it. it so it's good. So it's all nice and tight. And now we're gonna fold it in half like
What side?
this.
Hold on, now we'll need to go outside.
And we're gonna make the wings. Then you're gonna fold this part on the top downward. So it touches here. And flip it over. Do the same thing on the top of it. Right there. Now you have the beginning of your wings. Now you're going to fold this up. Do the same thing on the other side. This up. And fold it. And there you go. There you have your polka dart. Time to fly.